everybody, welcome back. It's Tosh here. I am here with my other Boxycharm unboxing. We will be doing the October base box unboxing in just a few minutes, so we'll jump into that shortly. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. For those of you that are new here, my name is Tasha, and on my channel I do all things makeup. I do upload 3 times a week, Monday, Tuesdays, and Fridays, and I would really love if you would hit the subscribe button, please, and join the family. It would make such a world of difference to me. Without any more chat, we're going to go ahead and jump into the box. So I will link my previous video, which is my Boxycharm Premium unboxing. And I think I jinxed myself because I said that over the past couple of months, I have really been loving the base box versus the premium. And I opened up and took a peek in my base box because I just got it today. Much better shipping, so thankfully, yay. And I'll jump into it and I'll talk to you guys about it. So Candy Shop is still the theme. We'll jump into the first product that I have. And so the first product that I have is a Frank Body Glow Mask. And so this is a moisturizing face mask that is natural and ultra hydrating. It works to reduce puffiness and give skin life, glow, and brightness. It's perfect for pre-makeup, late nights, and morning afters. It's cruelty-free, natural, and only takes 5 minutes. I thought it was interesting that it said it only takes 5 minutes. So certainly this is something that you can do pretty quickly. It retail value is $21. Let's open this up and see what we see. There is a seal. Yay! If I can get this off here. Hold on. Don't do that at home. Oh my goodness. There we go. So let's go ahead and just put a little bit of this out. Oh, that's different than I thought it would be. So it is creamy white, and this is supposed to be a mask. So it's not something that you rub in. You do need to take it off. Oh, it is really, really thick. Okay, that's different than I expected. It is thick, like a thick mask that you would put all over. Oh, it smells like, oh, I don't know. I really like the smell. There is a smell that it reminds me of, and I can't bring it to brain right now. But 5 minutes, quick mask. I do think that's cool. I am terrible at doing face masks that you actually have to apply. I do sheet masks because I'm lazy. And masks in general I don't find do a ton, but maybe I should try using these. So I will try this, absolutely. Next product that I have is another facial product. We know what I think about this. So this is the Farsali Privé Quench. This is a serum that helps to replenish. That's the mailman next door. Okay, try again. Dogs as always. So this is Farsali Privé Quench. It's a serum that helps to replenish moisture with a unique complex of low and high molecular weight hyaluronic acid. One or the other. So there are 2 different types of hyaluronic acid. And they basically are different sized hyaluronic acid, different size molecules. The ones that are the micro, which I think are the Hamlo, I don't know. At any rate, the ones that are the micro hyaluronic acid could potentially be an irritant for some people. They do say that it is potentially a inflammatory item. So I don't know what I think about that. But at any rate, this is a complex of low and high molecular weight hyaluronic acid. The staggered molecule weights of the hyaluronic acid are designed to provide multi-depth hydration on both the skin's surface and in the epidermis. Enriched with replenishing provitamin B5, the skin's elasticity appears improved as well as feeling and looking softer than before. So because of the different molecular weights, and so it would be different sizes of the molecule, you have ones that will penetrate deeper. The micro hyaluronic acid has the potential to penetrate deeper. It can go further in because it's a smaller molecule. And so sometimes they are, although it is not consistently proven, it could potentially be something that causes inflammation. So just keep that in mind when you're using this. Farsali, this is $24. Let's take a look at the product. Beautiful bottle, that baby blue. It is a, oh my brain, it's been a long day. It is a frosted glass, almost a white glass, although you can see through it just a little bit. And let's see what this is. It doesn't have any smell to it at all. Let's drop it out. And it is super, super thick. Very, very nice. Hopefully you saw that drop out. We'll put another drop on just in case. So, super thick. And so technically 100% hyaluronic acid, so there are some serums that claim to be 100%, would be like you could turn the spoon over and it would not move, it would not come out. It tends to be very, very, very thick, almost solid. So definitely nice to see that it is a thicker formula. The other thing with hyaluronic acid, although it is great for your skin, it is a something that attracts moisture. So you do need to have some moisture around for it to attract and pull into your skin. A lot of times what people do is they will take their fingers and just wet their face and then put the hyaluronic acid on top, or they will use a moisturizer hyaluronic acid. So that kind of a thing, or vice versa, depending on what works for you. But I do like that it's thick. I do like the packaging. I think it is beautiful. So that's something that we'll have to try. Very, very nice. Okay, so 2 skin products so far. Not unhappy about either of them. I am excited about them, but here we reach into my box and I have another moisturizing skin product. 1, 2. 2 is good. Those 2 are good. To have 3, all tending towards moisture when my quiz says I want makeup, is a little frustrating for me. This is the Grown Alchemist Matte Balancing Moisturizer with acai berry. It is a lightweight moisturizer that hydrates facial skin while balancing the skin's oil levels, leaving a skin with a matte finish and increased clarity. $69! $69! Australian certified toxic free through a profound understanding of human biology. Well, that's an interesting comment. I've never seen anything like that. Well, let's open it up and see. $69 though, holy camole. Very cool tube. I do really like these kind of tubes. They, you can squeeze them and get every little bit out. It is a metal tube like you would see the old-time hand creams or those kind of things come in. It does say that it is certified cruelty-free, gluten-free, so definitely free of everything. And it does have a seal. It's one of those metal seals that you take the lid and you pop it open. Oh, 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 and that's because I squeezed it out up from the bottom. That's my fault. Okay, so that is quite a bit more than I needed, but there is quite a bit there. It is thicker than I expected for someone, or for something that said it is a lightweight moisturizer. It is pretty thick. I will try it. I am a little concerned by this because I do tend to have dry skin, and so anything that claims to be matte on my skin or that is matte on my skin, especially that's my base product, my moisturizer, I don't know how well that will go, but certainly we'll try it. And $69 is expensive for that tube. I get skincare is expensive, but holy camole. Hang on, I need something to wipe my hand off with because I got way too much product on there between everything going on. Okay. So 3 skincare products out of the 5. Wah, wah. Let's go on to the next thing. I see this Ace, or however you say it. I know everyone says it. I'm sure I'm not saying it accurately. This is the Ace Beauté Draw It Up Lip Liner Duo. The Draw It lip liners are super pigmented liners that draw on smoothly and can be used to line the lips or fill them in completely. It includes a sharpener at the base that can be used to sharpen the liner's tip. I do like that. $16. $16 isn't bad for a lip liner. I do love that it includes a sharpener in here. So let's check it out. Beautiful pencil. I assume that this is the color. This also would be the sharpener that you would sharpen it up with. It is a plastic pencil, and you can see here, I don't know if you can see, I can see through the light, and the pigment does not go all the way to the end. There actually is quite a bit that's missing there. I do love the color though. That is kind of beautiful. That's my boxer. Say hi, Sadie Grace. That is really, really pretty. It definitely is a more pinky color than what it looks like initially. It looks a little more mauve-y to me, but it is quite pink and very pretty. It does go on smoothly. I would be interested to see how long this lasts, but it is a beautiful color. I do like it. So first makeup product, love it. Oh, and it's a duo, so there are 2 in here. Okay, I didn't realize that. It just fell out when I kind of dumped the package over. So this one is a nude, again, pencil sharpener there. I assume that that is the color that we have, and it is. And I'm going to go right here with it. That is a gorgeous brown nude. Perfect for fall. I do love that. Certainly, you could fill it in. It does feel creamy enough that you could fill it in, but would make a great liner. I do wonder, with it being so creamy, how long it will last. So that will be interesting to see how long it lasts. I do really like that product. Okay, happy with that. Next product that we have is Pretty Vulgar. This is Pretty Vulgar's Nesting, I can't say that word, face palette, at least not on YouTube. This is $32. It is a buildable, highlighters. Oh, I expected it to be see, that's what happens when you read. I expected it to be an eye palette, and it is not. It is a face palette. You have 2 beautiful blushes. This and this would be bronzers, contours, and then here are 2 highlighters. This highlighter is going to be far too dark for me, but let's go ahead and swatch all these. So this is, wow, and so that is quite beautiful, but it is quite dark. Definitely not anything I could make work on my face, but on the eyes, that would be beautiful. I mean, check that out. That is just gorgeous. We're going to do the one above here, so this is one of the bronzers. The products do feel really creamy and smooth. That is a great color. It is a little bit warm. I do like that. We're going to do this blush right here, so this mauve-y red blush right underneath. And I did a terrible swatch on that, so let's do that better. And in the palette, I thought it was matte, but it does look a little satin on the arm there. It is very pigmented, very pretty. We're going to do this next pinky blush, and I know this one has sparkles in it. I can see the glitter in it in the palette. Very, very pretty pink, like flamingo pink there. But beautiful. Let's do, I'm going to switch arms because I've run out of fingers, and we're going to do this highlighter over here. I think this is going to be one that's good for me, and that you can see blends right in with my skin. It is a pinky champagne color. Let's get the same right there. Beautiful. I do really like that. And then last thing here is kind of a bronzer-ish color. Although it's a little light, but it actually would be really good for me. I do like that one. And that one seems like it's a little bit, so there's the swatches. Sorry, dogs. So that one looks like it's just definitely a little bit lighter, and I think a little bit cooler than that other bronzer. This is so crazy with my arms like this, sorry. Anyways, I do really like the highlighter. These are nice and creamy. They do seem really beautiful. There is a nice mirror in here. I won't blind you with it. So definitely very, very nice. Pretty Vulgar palette, $32. So let's go ahead and add everything up here. Again, this is the $25 box. I do think the value is there. However, I do not like getting so much skincare. I got a ton of skincare in my premium Boxycharm, and I got a ton of skincare in this one. Like, more than half of this box was skincare. Total value, $162.95. So definitely way more than what you pay. This is a great value, a great way to try different things. But one of the things that I really want to try with Boxycharm is more makeup. I don't want skincare, I want makeup. And that's what I keep saying, I want makeup, and I keep saying it to Boxycharm. And again, the quizzes that you do are kind of a loose suggestion, obviously. At any rate, I do think Boxycharm still holds its value. It has the most value back on your money as any other box does. I think it's great. Hopefully next month will be less skincare, I hope. At any rate, let me know what you guys got in your base box. I did not look at any of the spoilers for the base box. I saw a couple for the premium and we talked about that, but I didn't for the base. What did you guys get? Did you like your box? What do you guys think about all the skincare? Give me some feedback and drop me a line. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really loved having you here with me. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!